What's up you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexia, and for today's video we will be cleaning my space. So I need to clean my room, I need to clean my bathroom. It is a total mess right now. It's kind of embarrassing, but I know I'm probably not the only one. So if you need to clean your space, come with me because that is what we're gonna do today. Having a clean space equals a clean mind, that's for sure. And we want our space to just smell good and be clean. There's also some clothes that I want to throw away because I'm sure that there is some clothes that you haven't worn for a whole year. So I'm like that too. When I'm cleaning my wardrobe, every time I'm like, oh, maybe one day I will be wearing that, or maybe it's gonna be useful, but we know we aren't going to wear that anymore. So throw that away, give it to some charity because they definitely need it more than us. I'm actually going to start with my bathroom. So I'm going to clean my vanity with all of my makeup products. I also have my skincare. Then I will be cleaning my room maybe tomorrow. I have a furniture that I need to set. I want my bathroom to smell like I'm in a spa. So that is why I went to Bath & Body Works this morning. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. This is a big bag. So I bought some hand soap because it was 5 for $28. So these are the first 2 scents. I also got this one, and these are my 2 favorites. So this one is gonna go in my bathroom, and this one maybe after, I'm not sure. I just love those 2 scents. This one is really girly, champagne toast. I love this scent so much, and this is more for like a spa vibe, but I just really love both. And for the candles, I only got 2 different scents. So the first one is Palo Santo and Sage. This scent is incredible. It smells like you're going to a hot yoga or just going to the spa. The smell is incredible. I wish you guys can smell this right now. Just can't wait to light this up. I also got one for my sister. Next one is Eucalyptus Rain. Look how cute the packaging is. I literally got it just for this, but at the same time I love eucalyptus scent. It smells really clean and just perfect for bathrooms. This smells so good. But yeah, before to start cleaning, I need to make myself a good coffee because I need some motivation. So I think I'm gonna make myself a little iced coffee. I'm gonna put some music and we're gonna start to clean. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And yeah, let's start to clean. Look, there's a deer. He's literally staring at me. Hi. to clean my vanity. So she definitely needed a fresh up, but listening to my music at the same time, it gives me so much more motivation. And you guys can follow me on my Spotify to listen to the playlist that I just made. So it's for the new month, so it includes just love songs. So make sure to take a look. Then I cleaned up my perfume tray that I'm just in love with, and then I cleaned my makeup drawers. So I started by cleaning my organizers, and then I also cleaned every single makeup product that I own, because sometimes they can be really dirty and it builds up all the bacteria. So make sure to clean them. But yeah, on this side, as you can see, I have all of my primers, my powders, I have my foundation, concealers, and here are my blushes. And then I have my lip gloss. And on the last one, I have my eye stuff, so mascara, eyeliners. And then on the other drawer, I have my lip liners, my lipstick. And on the last one, I have my tweezers and some other tools. But I'm sure that you have seen this trick, but you take any round powder that you have with any makeup wipe, and then you start cleaning your palettes, because sometimes they can get dirty quickly. But I'm going to show you guys the final result at the end of this video. I am so tired right now, but I'm gonna wash my sheets because, of course, having a clean room, we need to have fresh sheets. Yeah, and actually have a new spray. I'm gonna show you guys what it is. So it's a lavender spray, so I'm just so excited to put this on my fresh sheets before going to bed. This smells so good. Oh my god, I just can't wait. Also going to take a little break. I'm gonna eat a little something, and I'm almost done. I just have a bunch of things like in boxes that I need to like organize, find them a place to be, because I just cannot anymore with the mess. I'm never going to do that anymore, I promise. My room is always going to be clean this year. So yeah, I'm gonna clean my sheets and we are going to keep going. This is not even the worst one. Look at this. What am I gonna do? Then it was time for the most satisfying part of this video, because I needed to clean my makeup brushes. Every time I clean them, I realize how much bacteria there is on them. So stop avoiding this, because you're probably putting that on your face every single day. And as you can see, there is a lot of makeup accumulated here. So it's just good to prevent any breakouts. So make sure you clean your makeup brushes and stop procrastinating about this. But then I tried to help my boyfriend to finish the furniture, because it was never ending. When I'm telling you never, IKEA furnitures are something. And also, if you want to test your relationship, we'll buy an IKEA furniture to see how you guys can handle this. But I was so happy with the final result. It was exactly what I wanted. And you're gonna see that I'm laughing here because my boyfriend realized he didn't need my help at all. I put the drawer on the wrong side. But it's the effort that counts, right? Or maybe not.
But then I started to organize all of my jewelry, and in the drawers I added my workout set and my pajamas because there was just too much in my closet, so I just was looking for more space. And then I started to decorate with the aesthetic that I was looking for. So I added my vision board, and then I added some flowers. I know it's fake flowers. During the summer, I promise I will get a real one. And then I added my rings and a little Valentine's Day touch with some lollipops.
Hello you guys, so it's the next day. I did not finish yesterday, but today we are going to finish everything. I totally look crazy right now, but this is a look of a girl who's been cleaning for 3 days straight, putting a little bit of music on to motivate myself. And yeah, so let's finish everything today.